winter arrived and now I have the pomegranate getting dormant, also the cherry here, and the pear tree as well. You can see that it's now on winter mood. Interestingly, my 4 greenhouses have different results. Right now we have here potatoes with some, I'm protecting this plant as well, this palm tree, and potatoes that kind of work. These will need treatment with neem oil because a fly is around that is messing with them, but they kind of being healthy. By the other hand, this other greenhouse, it's kind of a mess with the potatoes. They are like rot. And I have here garlic that it's working so far, leeks starting to grow as well, and another potato that didn't work very well. The tree of money tree, is very happy to be here protected from the cold. Actually, by my surprise, I just removed this from there. So something at least was possible to get from this already rot plant. There are 2 varieties. It was an experiment with 2 different varieties. Both worked. Marigold are seasonal, so now they are fading. This one is struggled to survive, but it's very cold right now. The strawberries, I moved all to the same place. These were the grow bags that still have earth, but without anything right now. The previous greenhouses are pointed north, but this one is pointed east, so it captures much more sunlight during the winter. Look at the difference in, I don't know, it breathes health. You see? The carrots here, very healthy. Here, a potato growing. Another one here. Look at this one. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We also have onion here that are growing fine. And here the calendula flower that I have near the peanuts. The peanuts were all summer here and still hanging on. I don't know what it will happen to them. We'll wait and see. This one I can't remember what is it, but something will be for sure. Peach tree dormant, and the other greenhouse with the strawberries, it's holding very well. I have it closed right now, only here to have some flow of air, and you can see that it's beautiful. We have strawberries growing even now that is winter, and you can see that we have some strawberries that still grow. I eat them as soon as they are ready to go. Orange tree, and the lemon tree is holding very well. She was very happy this year with my care, and it's growing, still growing during this winter. I hope we will have very good lemons this summer, this spring, summer. And here you can see that the marigold are already gone. At the end right now, the project with the strawberries and the potatoes, which are the most important edible vegetables and fruits to me right now, they are working, standing still here, and we'll see if my project goes forward. I believe so. They will give good strawberries next year for sure again, and potatoes, it's my struggle right now. We will have good potatoes as well for me and my family to eat. I leave the greenhouses closed most of the time because of the cold during the night, but I usually leave them like this, just a bit open here like this, so you can have airflow. During all this summer I learn what most of you will learn always as well. It's the things that work here and the things that don't. So the things that didn't work, I just will let go of them and invest more and double down on the vegetables that really work in my region. You should do the same. I'm not watering them a lot right now. They are still very humid with moisture as well. So I only open the gates of the water when I feel that it's not with moisture at all. As a curiosity, these two are the rest of the remnants of 2 carrots that we ate, but my wife asked me to plant them because they were with some leaves, and actually they are growing, so we'll see if this works or not. I was hoping that tomatoes would hang on through the winter, but even with the greenhouses it didn't work. They gave the last fruits and I had to remove them to do the compost. Overall, not bad for the first year of gardening, right?